Okay, it is 5:22 a.m. It is early. It is very early. We are getting ready for our camping adventure. So we're gonna start packing out our stuff probably in like 2 hours, around 7:30. All right, so it is like 7 o'clock in the morning. We are psyched to go on our kayak camping adventure. The car is packed, as you can see, with all of our stuff. These are pretty much all of our dry bags, all of our wet bags, everything we need to go. So we're going to load the kayaks onto the car right now, and the next step is just kind of hurry up and wait. So check this out. You can see our kayaks are loaded on the car, and our bags are packed, and we are set to go. We're leaving in about 20 minutes. All right, so we've arrived at Pinelands Adventures. We got the car getting unloaded. Now we can do the check-in, ready to go. All of our stuff's in the back of the truck, and then we hit Lake Atsion and we head down the Mullica River. Okay, so we are here at Atsion Lake launch. We are here with a madness of other people. You can kind of see we got kayaks, canoes, we got everyone launching at once. So we're gonna take our time to get on the river, and the next shot you're gonna see is probably me from the cab of my kayak. So catch you in a few. So we've been kayaking for about 2.5 hours now, and we're taking our time. We're taking our real sweet time, as we always do, and we're having a good time. You know, it's fun. The beginning was a little narrow. You know, a lot of obstacles, things to kind of get through. The kayak is pretty weighted down with a lot of gear, but that's what you expect when you go camping kayaking. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's a little bit of an update for you, just sharing what's going on. Enjoy the rest of what I'm showing you. So my wife's making fun of me right now for all this like geeky stuff that I'm doing. She's over here eating her lunch while I'm making videos for 6 people to see on YouTube. So anyway, we are at Locks Bridge. We just got here. This is the halfway point of our journey today. This is about 3.5 miles from where we dropped into Atsion Lake. Not that you need to know that information, but we're halfway through. So yeah, enjoy.
We are now 3/4 of the way to Wharton State Forest. I'm trying the reverse camera angle facing forward, a little bit raised without the trash bag this time, so maybe you'll see something. Anyway, we have like maybe a mile to go and we'll be at the campsite.
Hey everybody, I was just so excited to get here. I totally forgot to come back on camera and say we've arrived. Anyway, we are at Wharton State Park campsite on the Mullica River. We made it here in about 7 hours today. We took our time getting here, stopped 3 times just to kind of get out and stretch our legs. We've already started the fire. We've already had dinner or supper or whatever you want to call it, lupper if you're a Simpsons fan. We've already kind of started our evening going forward, so I'm going to bring you over to our campsite and show you our fire and show our tent, all that happy good stuff. All right, so this is our tent. This is a 2-person tent. And then we have the Sleep In Go air mattresses in the like the super lightweight, compact, really tight sleeping bags. So we're gonna sleep in that tonight. And then you look at the rest of the campsite here. We got our dry bags. You got the fire ring. You got my wife kind of talking to me. She's gonna be a stupid YouTuber. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm doing. Yeah. So we're gonna go check out where you get fresh water from. Alright, so last night it started to rain like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I couldn't find my tent covers anywhere. So I took my earth pack, attached it to a carabiner, attached it to the weather guard for our tent. I did this on all 3 sides of the tent, the front, the side, and the other side with our stuff. So the earth packing served us well. Thank you very much. You are awesome. This is what the Mullica looks like at 6 o'clock in the morning, in case you've never seen it before. Looks pretty awesome to me.
So the rain filled our kayaks with water last night, as rain does, right? So I'm going to empty both of those out for us and try to get some of that water out of the kayaks. All right, so lesson learned about water out of the kayaks: it can knock a GoPro down if you are not smart about it. Anyway, I'm gonna try the red kayak now. Hopefully this thing won't fall over this time.
All right, it is about 9 o'clock in the morning. We have packed up camp. So we're gonna head over to the kayaks. We're gonna launch from Wharton State Forest. We're gonna head down to, I think, Pleasant Mills, all the way down about 5 miles away.